Ever wonder what happens to all those old tires after they've worn out? No, they didn't just go to the tire retirement home to reminisce about the good old days of road trips and daily commutes. Instead, many of them get a new lease on life through the fascinating process of retreading. This eco-friendly and cost-effective method not only saves money, but also helps reduce waste. So, if you're curious about how old tires are given a fresh lease on life, stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating process of tire retreading. Before diving into the specifics, let's explore what tire retreading entails and why it's such a game changer. Imagine you have a tire that's seen better days, with its tread worn down from countless miles on the road. Instead of discarding it, tire retreading breathes new life into it by applying a fresh layer of rubber to the worn-out tread. It's similar to refurbishing old furniture or electronics, giving them a second life. This process not only extends the tire's lifespan, but also plays a crucial role in reducing waste and conserving valuable resources. For a commercial fleet manager faced with the high cost of replacing numerous tires, retreading becomes a practical solution, offering substantial cost savings since retreaded tires are significantly cheaper than brand new ones. Moreover, the environmental benefits of retreading are noteworthy. Every retreaded tire saves approximately 7 gallons of oil compared to producing a new one, highlighting its eco-friendly nature. Alright, now let's dive into the crucial first step of retreading. Step 1. Inspection and testing. A tire's journey toward a new lease on life begins with a thorough inspection. This is where it starts shedding its old skin, so to speak, and getting ready for a fresh start. The first phase of this transformation is a visual inspection, which serves as the tire's first impression, its moment to shine or stumble. Technicians, equipped with their keen eyes and experience, scrutinize the tire's surface with the precision of a detective searching for clues. They're on the lookout for deep cuts or gouges that could compromise the tire's integrity. These imperfections are more than just blemishes. They could signal serious structural issues that might jeopardize the tire's future performance. The sidewalls also undergo a critical examination. Any bulges here can be a red flag, indicating potential internal damage that could make the tire unsafe. Additionally, the technicians assess wear patterns. Irregular wear can be indicative of alignment issues or other mechanical problems that might affect the retreaded tire's performance down the road. Once the tire clears this initial visual assessment, it's time for a deeper dive, non-destructive testing. Think of this step as an MRI scan for the tire, delving into its hidden depths to uncover any underlying issues. This is where technology plays a crucial role. X-ray inspection comes into play, revealing internal defects that are invisible to the naked eye. This method can detect air pockets or structural weaknesses that might cause the tire to fail prematurely. Ultrasonic testing is another advanced technique used here. By sending sound waves through the tire, technicians can detect inconsistencies within its layers. This method is particularly effective for identifying hidden damages that might not be visible but could still affect the tire's safety and performance. You might wonder why such a rigorous process is necessary. The answer is simple and vital: safety. Ensuring that every tire that undergoes retreading has passed these thorough inspections means reducing the risk of hazardous situations on the road. By investing in a comprehensive inspection and testing phase, we're not just giving the tire a second chance, we're making sure it's safe and reliable for the journeys ahead. Step 2. Casing preparation. Once the tire has passed the rigorous inspection and testing phase, it's ready to embark on the next crucial step: casing preparation. This stage is like preparing a canvas before painting, a meticulous process ensuring that every detail is just right for the new layer to adhere perfectly. First up is the cleaning phase, where the tire undergoes a thorough scrub down. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a pristine surface for the new tread. Any leftover debris or remnants from the old tread could interfere with the adhesion process, potentially compromising the quality and safety of the retread. Therefore, technicians use specialized equipment and cleaning agents to ensure that the tire is spotless and ready for the next steps. Once cleaned, the tire moves on to the buffing process. Now this is where the old tread is carefully ground away to reveal a smooth, even surface underneath. Think of it as sanding down a piece of wood before applying a new finish. The goal here is to create a uniform surface with the old casing. Buffing is a critical step because any imperfections or unevenness could lead to problems with the retread, such as peeling or poor performance. Technicians use precision tools to ensure that the surface is perfectly prepared, achieving the ideal texture for a solid bond. Through these meticulous processes of cleaning and buffing, the tire is essentially getting a makeover, preparing itself for a new chapter of its journey. Step 3. Applying the new tread. Now we reach the heart of the retreading process, applying the new tread. This is where the tire undergoes its most dramatic transformation, and the result is nothing short of magic. The process begins with building the new tread. Technicians use a blend of specially formulated rubber compounds designed to offer durability and performance. This rubber isn't just any rubber, it's engineered to withstand the rigors of the road, providing the perfect balance between toughness and flexibility. These compounds are meticulously mixed and prepared to ensure that the new tread will perform optimally, giving the tire the strength it needs to face various driving conditions. Next, we move on to extrusion. This step is akin to shaping the raw material into its final form. The rubber compound is fed into an extruder, where it's transformed into a continuous band of tread. This band will eventually encase the prepared tire casing, wrapping it in a new layer of protection. The extrusion process ensures that the tread has a consistent thickness and uniform composition throughout, which is crucial for maintaining balanced performance and safety. With the tread band ready, it's time for the application phase. This step involves carefully wrapping the extruded tread around the prepared tire casing. Precision is key here. The tread must be aligned perfectly to ensure that it adheres uniformly to the casing. Any misalignment could lead to uneven wear or performance issues down the line. Technicians use specialized equipment to ensure the tread is applied with exacting accuracy, creating a seamless bond between the old casing and the new tread. Once the new tread is in place, the tire undergoes a final set of checks to confirm that everything is as it should be. This phase is crucial because it ensures that the retreaded tire meets all safety and performance standards before it's ready for the road. So, as you can see, applying the new tread is where the tire truly gets its new lease on life. With each step, building, extruding, and applying the tread, the tire is prepared to take on new challenges, ready to roll with renewed vigor and reliability. Step 4. Vulcanization and final inspection. Now, this is the phase where all the careful work of preparation and application solidifies into a finished product. The vulcanization process begins with pressing. The tire, now encased in its new tread, is placed into a specialized mold. Here, it's subjected to heat and pressure, a combination that's essential for curing the new tread. This step is crucial because it helps the rubber compounds chemically bond with the old casing, ensuring that the tread adheres securely. The mold not only helps in bonding, but also gives the tread its final pattern and design, making sure that everything fits together perfectly. Once the tire is in the mold, the curing process begins. The tire is heated to a specific temperature that's carefully controlled, typically ranging from 284 to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, or 140 to 180 degrees Celsius. This heat causes the rubber compounds to undergo a chemical reaction, hardening and setting the tread into its final shape. This process, known as curing, transforms the rubber from a pliable material into a durable, long-lasting tread. With the tire now fully cured, it moves on to the final inspection. This stage is akin to the last quality check before a product hits the market. Technicians conduct a detailed visual check, scrutinizing the tire's tread and sidewalls for any defects or irregularities. They're on the lookout for any signs that might suggest issues with the tread's adherence or the overall integrity of the tire. In addition to the visual inspection, some facilities conduct performance testing. This might involve checking the tire for balance and uniformity, making sure it meets safety and performance standards. Such tests help ensure that the tire will perform reliably in real-world conditions, providing the safety and performance expected of a high-quality product. Quality control is paramount throughout the retreading process, adhering to stringent safety standards often set by organizations like the U.S. Department of Transportation or the European Union's ECE regulations. This rigorous quality control ensures that every retreaded tire is as safe and dependable as a new one, ready to deliver the performance and reliability that drivers need. Now let's set the record straight about retreaded tires, shall we? There's a lot of misinformation out there that we need to clear up. You might hear that retreaded tires aren't safe. This is a bit of a myth. Thanks to advanced retreading technology, these tires can be just as safe as their brand new counterparts, as long as they're properly inspected and maintained. So don't let safety concerns steer you away. Then there's the notion that retreaded tires don't perform as well. That's a misunderstanding too. When made with top quality materials and through a meticulous process, retreaded tires can offer performance that matches new ones. And here's a little known fact: retreading isn't just for the big rigs on the road. While it's true that commercial fleets often use them for savings, retreaded tires are available for passenger vehicles as well. So, next time you hear those misconceptions, you'll know exactly what's what.